Linda, do you want me to feed you some salad? Do you want to eat some salad? I'll feed you some salad. Here's some nice, beautiful Asian salad for Linda. Right, Linda? Because Linda likes salad. Mm. Linda, you want some more? Do you want some more salad? Mm. Linda, is that enough salad for you? Is that enough salad, or do you want more salad? Do you want to go eat more salad? Or do you want to stay here and not eat any more salad? Are you full? Are you nice and full? I'll give you more, okay? Do you want me to give you more salad? I'll give you more salad, okay? I'll give you more salad. Just a little bit. Or you want more? Do you want more salad? Okay. Oh, that's a big one. Let's get the small one. Okay, let's clean up your lips there. Okay, a big one now, Linda. Yeah, there we go. Last one now. Good girl. Okay, now give me a 5. High 5. Okay, low 5. Huh. Okay, the other one. No, the other hand. The other hand. That's my girl. Good girl, Linda. Good girl.